When it comes to superfoods, few contenders are as humble and as surprisingly powerful as the pumpkin seed. Often overlooked, these tiny flat seeds are packed with an array of nutrients that can fuel, heal, and protect your body in ways that might just redefine your approach to health. Let's explore the incredible benefits of pumpkin seeds, uncovering why this snack is earning its place at the top of nutrition charts and how you can harness its remarkable powers in your daily life. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, have been consumed for thousands of years across cultures, prized not only for their nutty flavor, but also for their medicinal properties. What makes them so extraordinary is their dense concentration of essential nutrients. Just a small handful delivers an impressive variety of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Let's break down what's inside these seeds and why each component matters for your well-being. The first thing to note is the rich supply of magnesium. Magnesium is crucial for over 600 biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production, muscle function, and nerve signaling. For many people, magnesium deficiency leads to symptoms like fatigue, cramps, and mood disturbances. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best natural sources of magnesium, helping to keep your body's systems running smoothly. Just 30 grams, about a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds, provides nearly half of your daily recommended intake. In addition to magnesium, pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc, a mineral vital for immune health, wound healing, and cell growth. Zinc's role in the immune system helps your body defend against illness and speeds up recovery from infections. If you're looking for a way to naturally boost your immune defenses, incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet is a simple and effective strategy. But the benefits don't stop there. Pumpkin seeds are also abundant in antioxidants, including vitamin E and various carotenoids. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, a process that damages cells and can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting your cells from harm. Regular consumption of pumpkin seeds can therefore support long-term health and resilience. Another standout nutrient in pumpkin seeds is healthy fat. They contain a blend of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are known to support heart health and reduce bad cholesterol levels. Unlike saturated fats, these healthy fats can help lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. The seeds also offer plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which help regulate inflammation and maintain brain function. Speaking of heart health, pumpkin seeds are rich in phytosterols, plant compounds that mimic cholesterol and help block its absorption in the intestines. This means that regularly eating pumpkin seeds may help lower your cholesterol levels and improve your overall cardiovascular health. For those watching their weight, pumpkin seeds are a smart choice. They're high in protein and fiber, both of which help you feel full longer and curb unnecessary snacking. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, while fiber supports digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Together, these nutrients make pumpkin seeds a satisfying addition to any diet, whether you're looking to shed pounds or simply manage your appetite. Beyond physical health, pumpkin seeds may also have benefits for your mental well-being. They are a source of tryptophan, an amino acid that the body uses to produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. Consuming pumpkin seeds may help promote better sleep and a more balanced mood, especially when paired with a healthy lifestyle. There's even evidence that pumpkin seeds can support prostate health and urinary function, especially in men. Some studies suggest that the compounds found in pumpkin seeds may reduce the symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, a condition characterized by an enlarged prostate and troublesome urinary symptoms. Additionally, the seed's high zinc content is important for maintaining healthy testosterone levels and reproductive function. Pumpkin seeds can also play a role in supporting bone health. Their impressive magnesium and phosphorus content helps strengthen bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. For those concerned about bone density, especially as they age, pumpkin seeds offer a delicious way to support skeletal strength. The benefits of pumpkin seeds reach beyond just their nutrients. They're naturally gluten-free and suitable for most dietary preferences, including plant-based, paleo, and keto diets. Their versatility makes them easy to incorporate into meals, whether sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, mixed into granola, or simply enjoyed as a crunchy snack. But how much should you eat to reap the rewards? Nutritionists recommend about a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily to harness their health benefits. It's important to choose unsalted, raw, or lightly roasted seeds to avoid excess sodium and preserve their nutrient content. If you're concerned about allergies or intolerances, pumpkin seeds are generally safe for most people. They rarely cause allergic reactions and are free from common allergens like gluten and dairy. However, as with any food, moderation is key. Eating too many can add extra calories to your diet, so balance them with other nutritious foods for best results. Let's take a moment to appreciate the global history of pumpkin seeds. Native to the Americas, pumpkin seeds have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat everything from intestinal parasites to urinary problems. Today, modern science is confirming what ancient cultures already knew. Pumpkin seeds truly are a powerhouse of nutrition. In summary, pumpkin seeds are one of nature's most potent health foods. They offer a comprehensive package of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats that support every aspect of well-being, from heart and bone health to immune function and mental balance. Their delicious flavor, ease of use, and impressive nutrient profile make them an ideal addition to any diet. If you haven't yet discovered the power of pumpkin seeds, now is the perfect time to start. Whether you're snacking on them by the handful or adding them to your favorite recipes, these tiny seeds can make a big difference in your health. So next time you're planning your meals or reaching for a snack, remember the mighty pumpkin seed, small in size but enormous in benefits. Unlock their potential and let your health thrive.